सब आए. I could only say few things that whatever I think, just a simple thought, passing thought भी Guruji सुन लेते हैं and हम भूल जाते हैं and then he blesses me with it, really blesses me and I'm so grateful, so thankful to him कि बस अपने चरना की कोल हमेशा हमें रखिएगा. Just a small thing, जब 11th का decide हुआ, the first person I call is my sister-in-law. कि दीदी 11 तारीख डिसाइड हुआ and she's like, I told her ticket बाद में कराना अपनी. She was supposed to fly to India and she said नहीं कल ही टिकट हो गई, 10 की हो गई है. I was like अच्छा, and you know somewhere it hit me because being sister-in-law, I feel when she comes, being a family, you know, daughter of this family, that my whatever function is happening or satsang is happening, without her it's incomplete. It cannot be completed. And then I was like, okay, maybe Maharaj wants that, but yes, I was not happy with it. Just 2-3 days back, she had to cancel, postpone it, not cancel it, postpone it due to some reason. And the moment I came to know that she'll be coming, that like nothing like that. It was just a thing that I felt bad. कि हाँ दीदी नहीं होगी, but like it cannot be complete without a blessing because for me she's like a mother-in-law as well. Like you know, I feel I'm getting my mother-in-law's blessing through her. So thank you Guruji, हर चीज सुनने के लिए, हर चीज bless करने के लिए. Another thing, जब गुरुजी महाराज को देखा था 26 को इस स्वरूप को, so I just told him, आज तो आपको घर चलना है. And that day I was blessed, and Amit uncle was blessed with another Swaroop, and I was blessed with this Swaroop. And the moment Swaroop आया, हमने रखा, एक और चीज उन्होंने मुझे उसी समय bless की. मतलब मैंने सिर्फ ऐसे ही चलता थॉट था कुछ दिन पहले, and I don't remember even when, what. I told him, I just wish 3-4 years back, जहाँ पे मैं जॉब करती थी, I can ever listen to him or go back to him, or because I was very I was blessed to have that company, though it was a job, but I used to love going there, love my work, everything. So that moment, just that moment, I got a message from him after 3 years. 3 साल में there was no contact. And it cannot be miracle or it cannot be a coincidence. He had read my mind and he blessed me with that. Even he blessed with me with the job. I've started it, but I don't know कब तक वो continue कराएंगे, whatever it is, and I'm very happy. He knew, and no, I don't think so. Same field में अगर आपकी खुद का business है, no, my boss knew about it. Still he said, no, I want you to come. And it was like, wow, nothing like that. Now you can't think about it. 3 साल पहले आपने छोड़ दिया, and he's just calling me, and it was like, काश मैं वहाँ चली जाती. Obviously I was not going to call them. And it was no way that he is calling me back, but Shukrana. With her thought, I can just say that every thought that goes in my mind, he reads it. Abhi bhi, the whole complete time I was sitting, I was just telling him Shukrana, nothing else. Only the word that was coming to me throughout the satsang was Shukrana. Because we don't thank him enough for what he gives us. And शुक्राना start हो गया भजन. Normally अमित अंकल playlist जो बनाते हैं उसमें शुक्राना नहीं होता है. And I really wanted it. That was my feeling today throughout. शुक्राना for everything. In the moment शुक्राना भजन started, I ran to अमित अंकल and I told him, अंकल आज अपने शुक्राना डाला है. And he is like, playlist कुछ और चलनी थी. गुरुजी ने ये चलवाया, probably इसमें शुक्राना होगा. He read my mind again. So शुक्राना बस. I love you. Thank you. शुक्राना बस. संगत जी कोई please अपना सत्संग शेयर. Yes.